Hey, what is up? You're back. काय काय करणार आपण?
हेअरकट बियर्ड बस हेअरकट करणार आपण.
ओके.
मिनिमम कमी करून थोडंसं शेप घेऊ आपण.
ओके ओके, काहीच हरकत नाही. आणि तू नवीन चॅनल ओपन केलं ना
हां
यूट्यूबचं?
माझं एक वंगर म्हणून आहे. फूड बाय संगीता नावाने चॅनल आहे आणि आपलं सलूनचं चॅनल आहे हेअर स्टुडिओ युनिसेक्स सलून.
हो. आणि किती फॉलोअर्स आले, किती वाढले ना ते.
हो.
मिलियन मध्ये व्ह्यूज जायला लागले भाई, खतरनाक. लिंक ऑन द डिस्क्रिप्शन नाही, जाऊ दे. Welcome back. This is Udesh. Yeah, this is Udesh. So I have done a best cutting ever. I'm looking so good. I know. Don't say. So dude, look at the environment. It's so beautiful right here. After 3 years, I'm literally feeling this environment through my eyes, dude. It is so beautiful. You won't even believe this. And Doraemon signing off. Enjoy, dude. Look at that. I will be showing with a back camera. And by the way, अपना ऑपरेशन है dude. 1 घंटे बाद अपना ऑपरेशन है. किसका ऑपरेशन, क्या ऑपरेशन? साइनिंग ऑफ टू गेट टू नो. स्टे dude. The climate, dude. I was saying about this. वहाँ पे धूप है, यहाँ पे धूप नहीं है, आ रही है धूप. Hey there, so let's go for operation. But there is one decision. This spec I should wear, or this specs I should wear. Oh my god, ये अच्छा दिख रहा है, बट ये थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा है, तो इसको मैं देखता हूँ करके. Signing off. This looks good. Yeah, this looks a lot good. Signing off, son. The lift of hospital operation postponed हो गया. तो वो ऑपरेशन हो गया postponed. Like 4:30 or something, and it is what it is done. Dude, we are 5. Oh my god, बहुत मस्त feel है. It is feeling so good. Like anything, the rain, the small is going so slow. तो ज़्यादा fast गए तो बहुत rain लगती है. It is what it is. I'm feeling okay now after shooting a lot of videos of the stage. This is what it is. Signing off. I'm reaching home. I reach home actually. Whoa. So basically, we came home. Our operation is like, our appointment is like after 1 hour because of the emergency came. So to the doctor. So here we go. What we will do up till now? Until that, we have a trading strategy. Just the thing is, I wanted to become a millionaire as fast as possible. We can go with that with a small account. I'm going to search a funded account with the lowest investment or no investment, with a risk reward and all. So I know what I wanted to go for it. So here is the TV. We're going to search on this, opening YouTube, and let's invest this time to search how we can get millionaire in lower time, which is not even possible, but we have to search, we have to try. Yeah, it is what it is. Signing off. Then we can shoot for almost 1 minute. I was not knowing this. Signing off. Here we go. Hey guys, dude, look at this, the beautiful sunset, awesome sunset. And we were live on YouTube right now, shooting on WhatsApp. वो ऑपरेशन पूरा पोस्टपोन हो गया next week को, तो we are waiting for that operation to have. Dude, वो बहुत गंदा हुआ है, मालूम क्या, मेरा हाथ को. I'll let you know later.